Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change playbook and strategy in Ultimate Team in College Football 27. It's pretty easy. First of all, go to Ultimate Team. Then right here, we're gonna select the My Team tab at the top and just gonna select the lineup option here. Once you do that, you're gonna see bunch of options. Like here we have the tab for offense, defense, special items, and so on and so forth. Then you can also go to side menu. Right here you can go and change active lineup. You can see abilities, and also you can go to strategy items. Like right here you should be able to see offensive strategy, defensive strategy. Then you can go to team focus. You have a lot of options here. So in order to go for offensive strategy, we can select this one. And right here I don't have any items found, but if you have items you should be able to make your strategy and stuff like that. You can also make on offensive playbook or defensive playbook here. It is that easy guys. Just use this lineup option to make custom playbooks for your ultimate team or make strategies for your ultimate team. It's that easy. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.